Good day, madam. My name is Usha Devi, daughter of Ravi, metric number A18A1180. Today, I would like to present my final year report. The title of my report is The Effect of COVID-19 Pandemic Towards Online Consumer Purchasing Behavior in Seremban Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. I would like to start my presentation with the background of my research study. Consumers in Malaysia are increasingly turning to the internet to make their purchases. According to Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission, which is MCMC, in the year of 2017, online shopping is at the 11th rank among the top 15 variables of Malaysians' access to the internet and purchases of goods. The Malaysian government has many initiatives and programs in place to boost the e-commerce. Malaysian government introduced Shop Malaysia Online. It is an effort under the National Economic Recovery Plan, which is also known as Penjana. It is to accelerate or to increase the expansion of digital economy's digitalization. The practice of purchasing items or services through the internet is refers to as an online purchase decision, which is also known as online buying behavior. Next, I would move on to the problem statement. Malaysians were in fear and confusion when the initial Movement Control Order MCO announcement was made. MCO in Malaysia has made the consumers to face many challenges in their purchasing decisions, and also panic buying happened rapidly in Malaysia. These issues made the consumers to have limited time for purchase their goods that they need. Other than these impacts, practicing a new norm in Malaysia was forced to be done by the consumers. They had to practice purchasing using e commerce because they could not spend much time in public places and to maintain their social distances. This impacts the purchase decision of consumers through the method of payment for their purchased goods. There are three questions from the research. The first question is there any relationship between purchasing demand and online consumer purchasing behavior? The second question is there any relationship between packaging quality and online consumer purchasing behavior? The third question is there any relationship between e-payment method and online consumer purchasing behavior? The objective of the research is to study the relationship between purchasing demand with online consumer purchasing behavior. Second is to study the relationship between a packaging quality with online consumer purchasing behavior. The third objective is to study the relationship between e-payment method with online consumer purchasing behavior. The scope of the research study is the respondents will consist of all Seremban Negeri Sembilan residents that choose to purchase online, and it will be in the scope of all gender. This study will only focus on the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior in Seremban Negeri Sembilan. The method for this research proposal are collecting quantitative data. It is to know more clearly about the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior in Seremban Negeri Sembilan through the method of creating questionnaires. Next will be the significance of the research study. My research study will be a contribution to future researchers and also to the retailers. This study will be a reference to other researchers who wants to study about online consumer purchasing behavior, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. And to the retailers, it helps them to plan more marketing strategies and suitable programs to be implemented in their retailing business in future. The underpinning theory that will be used in this research is the theory of planned behavior. This theory helps to understand how the behavior of people can change. Any actions taken is guided by three steps, which is behavioral beliefs, normative beliefs, and control beliefs. It is used to determine the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior. The hypothesis from the research is first, there is a significant relationship between purchasing demand and online consumer purchasing behavior. Second, there is a significant relationship between packaging quality and online consumer purchasing behavior. Third, there is a significant relationship between e-payment method and online consumer purchasing behavior. So this is the research framework. as you can see, the independent variables are purchasing demand, packaging quality, and e-payment method. Meanwhile, the dependent variable is the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior. The data collection method used in the research study is primary data, secondary data, and also pilot tests. In primary data, the study used quantitative method to obtain data. I'll be distributing the questionnaires to the respondents. Secondary data will be used to find information from other journals to write literature review based on research framework constructed by other researchers. In this study, pilot test is used to evaluate the research techniques with a small group of test participants, which is 30 people, before conducting to the main study. The population in my research area, which is Srimban Negri Simbilan, is 314,502 and the sample size is 384. Simple random sampling will be used to collect data from the targeted respondents. Due to the large number of consumers population in Srimban Negri Simbilan, which is around 314,502, the use of this method makes it easier to select a sample and distribute the questionnaires to the respondents who will be targeted smoothly. Next is the research instrument development. There will be primary instrument and secondary instrument. According to primary instrument, the distribution of questionnaires for this research is focused on the people in Srimban Negri Sembilan. There will be 384 respondents randomly selected to complete each question in the distributed questionnaire. There will be three sections in the questionnaire: Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A is about the respondents' demographic segmentation. Meanwhile, Section B is about the dependent variables, which is the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior. Section C is about independent variable and there are three parts, where part 1 is about the purchasing demand, part 2 is about packaging quality, and part 3 is about e-payment method. Likert scale will be used in section B and C. Secondary instrument in the process of data collection in this study is to reading from previous journals and books that conducts other research. In this study, most of the secondary data come from articles and books related to this study. Next is about the measurement of variable. Nominal variable and ordinal variable will be used in my research. In this research, nominal variable, which is age, gender, race, and position categories, is used as the nominal measurement scale on this study. In this process of completing my research, ordinal variable, which is the Likert scale, is also used as the ordinal measurement of my study. For example, respondents' opinion were asked on their online purchasing during COVID-19 pandemic and asked if they strongly agree, strongly disagree, disagree, agree, or neutral. In the procedure of data analysis, descriptive analysis, multiple linear regression analysis, and reliability tests will be used in my research. Descriptive analysis help us to simplify large amount of data in a logical and positive way. It conduct to collect the data at the beginning of the study which analyses the demographic of the respondents. Multiple linear regression analysis will be used to identify the effectiveness of independent variables on dependent variables. It also helps to understand in more detail how much the dependent variable will change when the researcher changes in dependent variable. It also predicts each distribution of trends and future values. Reliability tests will be tested to analyze the internal consistency of purchasing demand, packaging quality, and e-payment method with the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards online consumer purchasing behavior.